If you're a teacher, here's how AI can help you teach school kids. Artificial intelligence can be used to create interactive and engaging learning experiences that are tailored to each child's individual needs. For example, there are games that you can use to teach your kids easy things like math, addition, counting. There are even apps on AI that can help your kids learn phonics. You can also use AI to track your kids' progress in areas where they need more help. You can use AI to them to learn different cultures and historic events. Social studies. If you're a teacher, I encourage you to learn and explore different ways you can use AI to improve your students' learning. By the way, I'm offering a 2 to 3 days physical training for teachers and secondary school students on artificial intelligence. This training will cover the basics of AI, how it can be used in education and other important aspects of life, and I'm going to provide hands-on training on AI tools and their benefits. This is in partnership with the Nigerian Mobile Educator. If you want to reach out to any of us, contact the number showing on your screen right now.